Let's make sure that's on. Okay, let's do homework. We got 6, 7, 8, and 9. Page 4. Let's work it. Let's listen to a scale. Okay, we got 2 flats. Yeah. Put it down. I don't have any of this written down, so let's write it down in our homework. Sorry. Okay. Remember, it's all going to be a 1 chord, and the bass part, the very bottom note, is either going to stay the same or going to jump an octave. Let's listen to all the instruments. So, do you hear it? Does that bass part go anywhere? It's down here, down here. The tenor part goes ba, 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 ba. So it starts on sol. What are the 3 choices? It's all the 1 chord. It's all going to be a B flat chord. So the 3 choices are B flat. So B flat, D, and F. So let's listen to this. It starts on sol. You should sing along. Sol. One more time. Okay, here's the right hand. I hear, sorry. I have to move my face. Okay, so back to the right hand one more time. I don't think that either one of those parts jumps more than 1. I think it's just either a 3rd or a 4th or a 5th. It goes da, 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 back, down. Let's listen to it a couple more times. Here's your answer. Let me move my face up a little bit. Okay, so here's my answer. I just make everything whole notes, and you know, if you did that also, I wouldn't mark it off. Okay, here we go. Next one, 4 sharps. What key is this probably going to be in? We don't do any minor keys in our dictation yet, so. Okay, here's your scale. So fill out your first chord there. Now I'm just gonna go the left hand first, just to try to figure out the easy part. So does the bass note go up an octave, or does it just stay the same? Come on, mouse. So here's the tenor part. It starts on sol. Everyone sings sol. those three solfege notes are. Do you hear that on the third chord, the tenor and bass comes together to form a unison? Do you hear that? All right, here's your right hand. You can use the hand method like I do, where you move your hand down or up, just to kind of get your bearings as to where is this melody going. And it's like parallel motion the whole time. You could also put arrows. I'll show you. I'll make like a version of this. I already put the first notes down, but so see what I did with arrows? You can kind of do a version of that so that your brain can start to figure out if we're going up or down and then where the melody might go. All right, let's listen to that a couple more times. I'm wrong about the alto part and the soprano part. It's not always parallel. Listen how the second note and the third note in the alto part doesn't move. So, I kind of thought I knew what was going on, but when I focused on that one voice, I realized that I counted my chickens before they hatch. Okay. So I'll listen to that one more time and then I'll show you the answer. Pause it if you need to copy all your answers down. Please work. Please try to hear these things, and I would prefer it if you would pause the video and just think it through for yourself. I don't want these videos to last an hour and a half, so if you need extra time to do the work, you do that, because that's how you're going to learn. You're going to learn to train your ears. That's what we're doing here. Okay, number 8. 3 flats. Let's listen to our scale. Ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. There have been students in classes before that sort of, to prove a point, always sing the scale before they hear the example because they just want to get it in their ears. And it's a smart move. So let's do it one more time. Sing along. La, sol, fa, mi, re, do, mi, sol, mi, do. I wouldn't do the 5 chord here because we're not there yet. It's all living just in the 1 chord. Okay, let's listen to this bottom E flat first thing. See if it stays or moves an octave. That bottom part doesn't move. Let's listen to the tenor part. Sol, it starts on. Sol, here, then to here, then to here, and then it stays. For me, I used to get, did I already tell you guys this? I used to get in trouble in my ear training classes because I love to sing, and I would always kind of be humming, and you're not supposed to, you're supposed to audiate, but I have a real hard time with that. I mean, I guess it's much easier now that I've been doing this for 25 years. So I figured out this really kind of almost silent whistle technique. And I would sometimes not get in trouble for it. Okay, here's the right hand. I don't know everything that's happening there yet, but I do know that the two parts don't always, you know what I mean? They're not always parallel. So I'm gonna try to. It's like the alto part's here and the soprano part's here. That's completely separated when you have the phones on. All right, let me show you my hands for where the soprano part goes. It starts on do. And the alto part ends here. Sol do, sol do is the soprano and alto part in the very last chord. That alto part's very, very simple. It hardly moves. Starts on me. See if you can sing it or just hear it. Audio like you're supposed to. I'll sing it. Okay, one more to go. Oh, great, you guys, the piano part. I'm so excited. So, left hand alone, does it stay or does it jump an octave? Let's listen. Does it stay the same or does it jump an octave? Okay, so right hand, let's try to do arrows first, see what happens. I gotta pause it. Sorry, okay, here we go. Gotta write down my first chord, sorry. I'm gonna do the arrows to kind of show you. Which way does it go? Sorry, do it again. Then it goes down, then up, then up, then up. I don't know. Sorry. So, soprano part is do, sol, do, mi, sol. Okay, so, and then it's just fill in the blank. I can't really hear all those three notes, but all I can tell you is it's a triad every single time, an A triad. And so I'm gonna it's not trying to trick you. Everything's gonna be in either root position, first position, or second position of these triads. And so it's not like it's gonna be an A, an E, and then an A on the bottom. If the A is on top, if A is the top voice, then you just spell it out. So an A triad, three notes are A, C sharp, and E, okay? So if the A is on the top, then the next voice down will be the E, and then it'll be a C sharp. So, a couple more times. One more time. That's all there is to it. So, feedback, I'm always would love some feedback. I'm probably going to make this, throw this up on Canvas later today. And good job. The next assignment will be your Unit 3 test. And there are no answers given on that one. So good luck. That's due next week. Pretty sure. All right, be good. Let's see if I end the meeting. Thank you for participating.